Well, we're going to try the old faithful Zino. It's the black Zino, regular Zino. I think it's a Y. But yeah, the regular Zino, haven't had up for a while. I've got 100% in the battery. I don't think it is 100% because it's been sitting for a couple of weeks. So we'll just see what happens. But yeah, haven't updated any firmware. Let's see what we've got here. We've got the return to home set at 50 meters, which is great. And we have 2.05 as the flight controller and 3.6 as the video. So we're good to go there. And our video is at... We're good. It's ordinary, everything 2.7K, 30 frames per second. Let's just do 1080p at 30 frames per second, just for the fun of it. Okay, well, let's do an automatic takeoff and enjoy the flight.
Refresh the return point. Please mind the return position.
There we go. So we're there. And we're just hovering a bit. Bring that down a bit there. Now let's just take it back a bit. There we go. Just get some satellites up to 16. It's hovering pretty good. So we'll go left and right. Good enough. Okay. Seems to be okay. Enjoy the flight. Here we go. Up we go and back.
Battery error. Please replace.
Battery error. Well, yeah, I know that. So we'll see what happens. But it shouldn't go down too much more fast. We'll see. We'll turn around. And we got it all set for 30, 30, 30. And we're only at 17 meters. Let's get up. 25 meters. 30 meters or so might do it better. We'll just take it slowly up there. That's a nice look at the lake over there. Let's see how that does. 65%. Battery, drone. It's draining quickly. Yeah, I know, because I didn't charge it up properly. But we're just going out to have a look at the lake. We'll put some music to it and see what happens. Good day for a flight with a Zino. At 60%. I see a plane up there, but it's about 1,000 meters up. I'm only just above the line here. If I go to the Google map, that's where I'm at. Yeah. Let's go back to here. And 55%. Let's see if we can Okay, well, let's come back then. We're at 55%. And we're out at 300 meters. We're 32 meters high. And we'll turn around a bit. A nice slow turn. And we'll head on back. 55%. Yeah, that warning about the battery is a pain in the butt. And we're around here somewhere. There we are. And we'll come on back. And I think we're just over to the left a bit. There we are. And we're down to 53%. Bum, ba-dum, ba-dum, bum, bum. We're at 50%. We're in what I call cinema mode, which is 30-30-30. So we're doing pretty good. Yeah, that battery warning is a pain. But this is a Zino, just the regular old Zino. And you can have it in a bag for a month and still fly it out. And this is proof of that. It just goes and goes and goes and goes and goes. It's only at 2.2 meters per second. It's not very fast. I hear it. There we are. There it is. Look at that. So see if we can go down the road a bit. Have a look at some of these lots. We can point that. There we go. We can just go down the road a little bit. Have a look at some of these lots, and they're building and building and building. 40%. Oh, we're good. There we go. And we'll just turn around and come home. Here we are. Here it comes. 40%. Not too bad. It's a nice little trip. I'll bring it down. We'll turn it around and have a look at this tree. Oh, yeah, that's a big tree. And we're getting low on the battery a bit. And we're down 30%. Oops, sorry, there we go. And we'll stop the video.